Welcome to another edition of Ask Angela. We're at the County Ground this evening to discuss the curriculum. Angela, why is the curriculum being launched at this point?
Okay. When we made the application to the Government Office for Funds to set up the UTC, we did put an education plan together then, which included all our academic and vocational qualifications. But just before Christmas, there were quite some substantial changes in the curriculum offer, and particularly for 14 to 16-year-olds. So we've made changes to those to make sure that we're future-proofed and it allow our young people to either go on straight into work or into university.
Right. Does the offer for all years, in terms of the academic qualifications, are they equal to the practical qualifications on offer?
Okay. In year 10 and 11, there'll be a core subject area of GCSEs, mainly around the STEM subjects, so maths, science, technology, engineering, those sorts of subjects, as well as other subjects such as geography and German. But our vocational qualifications will have an equivalence to GCSEs as well, and that's one of the points of changing our qualifications this year. In the sixth form at years 12 and 13, there'll be a traditional group of A-levels, again around the STEM subject areas, so science, technology, engineering and mathematics, plus a language that will be on offer at GCSE level as well for anyone that hasn't previously studied a language. But there'll also be level 3 qualifications on offer, and 3 pathways for those, equivalent to 1 A-level or 3 A-levels, dependent on the vocational and academic mix that youngsters want to get involved with and are capable of as well.
And finally, I've heard the curriculum is an individualised curriculum. Can you explain what that is?
Okay. What we've done, because we're not a selective school or college or organisation, we've got 3 different pathways so that young people can choose a pathway that they're assessed at that suits them. So if a youngster came in that was predicted grades A stars to B, for example, they could do the full range of GCSEs, also get an English baccalaureate, but also take a higher level of vocational qualification, and the same in A levels as well. Also, for those that are perhaps not as academic, they could follow through to year 12 and 13 and do level 2 qualifications, which are equivalent to GCSEs. So basically we'll create 3 separate pathways depending on young people's abilities.